Hi friends, in my system we have 1x PCI LPT card. We have in this I will show you how to install the PCI 1x LPT card drivers. Simply right click and then update the driver software. Here we already downloaded the PCI LPT drivers. If you need, you can find the link in the description. Right click update. Like this you need to install the drivers one by one. You need to install it. Without getting any error message, it will install in the perfect way. Right click update and search the particular link and update it. See, one by one drivers has been installing. As all the drivers has been completely installed. Okay, thank you.